Here's the main thing you need to know. If you buy a call and you want to exit this option, you need to sell this call back. Also, if you buy a put and later on you want to exit this option, you need to sell this put back. When I say sell this back, I mean choose the same strike price and same expiration date. Now I personally like to sell covered calls and cash secure puts, so in my case I would have to buy accordingly a call or a put to exit those options. I kind of feel like I confused some of you even more, so let's take it from the beginning. Okay, for example, you're bullish on AMD. You think that this stock will go up in the near future. So on a beautiful Tuesday afternoon, you decided to buy a call that will expire in a few weeks. Now lucky for you, a few days later, AMD, which stands for Attractive Muscular Duck, has gone up a few dollars. So your call option is worth more and you decided to close it and lock in your profits. Or because ducks like to go south, AMD starts to go down, so your option is losing value and you decided to close it and cut your losses. To do that, let me use my own call option as an example. I have a call that will expire in a few months from now, and as you can see it lost some value, but that's not relevant. I can simply go on the side here, and because I bought this option, in order to close it, I have to sell it. So I click sell to close, one option, review order, and here you would click submit. It doesn't show in my case because I can't close this option as I am using it as collateral for a poor man's covered call, which is a trading strategy that I explained in my previous video. If you're interested, you can check it out, link is down below. But if you would like to close this option from the option chain page, that's even easier. Click view all options, and my option expires April 16th, so I will select that expiration date, very important. And there's our call. It has +1, which means I bought one option, and to close it, obviously I have to sell it. Click on the sell tab, add it to your order ticket, continue, review order, and submit. Done. Same thing for a put. If you bought a put and you want to close it, you would simply sell it. Okay, so nothing weird like if you bought a call, then to close it you have to buy a put or something like that. No. A call for a call, a put for a put, and an eye for a leg. That's what I always say. So if you understood this AMD scenario, then closing covered calls or cash secure puts is the same thing, just in reverse. Because you sell those, you will have to buy them if you decide to close them. And I have an example for NEO where these cash secure puts are expiring today actually. And I have two of them with different strike prices. We'll focus on this one with strike price at $42. So because I sold this put, in order to close it, I have to buy it. So let's do that. Click on buy tab, add the order ticket, continue, review order, submit, and done. This option is closed. Side note here, now even though this put was not in high risk of being assigned, I could have just let it expire worthless by the end of the day, but I like to close them, release my collateral, and sell another put for the following week. In the video where I shared my trades selling cash secure puts, I only left a few expire worthless, but the majority of them I closed 2-3 days after I opened them, and in 1 month I made over $1,000. It's a weird flex, but okay.
Let me inspire you. See, I'ma put you up on game, cause they don't want you to win.
Keep in mind that when you sell calls or puts, time is on your side, as opposed to buying calls or puts, time is against you. Before you open any positions, have a plan, have a goal, and don't let your emotions trade instead of your brain. And after this advice that you never asked for, I will say good luck on your trades and consider subscribing.